On the Logitech G512 X, you can swap the switches with compatible mechanical or analog switches for a personalized experience. All you need for this is a switch and keycap puller. We've included them in the box along with 9 analog switches that can be hot swapped in any of the 39 hybrid switch beds. These switch beds are compatible with both analog and mechanical switches, while the rest are only compatible with mechanical switches. In general, the G512X supports various types of mechanical switches, both 3 or 5 pin. The analog switches are designed with a central magnet. You can use other analog switches that also use the same magnetic position. When you swap your switches, the G512X should be unplugged. First, remove the keycap using the keycap remover. Then, using the switch remover, remove the switch. Align the remover vertically with the switch and be gentle while removing. Pull the switch straight up and not sideways. Now, using the provided replacement switches or any compatible switch of your preference, place it back on the empty slot and give a gentle push until it clicks into position. Ensure the terminals of the switch fit right into the slots, and ensure to align the lighting window of the analog switches face up while plugging it in. Now fit the keycap and connect to the USB cable. If you've replaced the existing switch with an analog switch, you will have to perform a quick scan for the keyboard to identify and activate it. You can use the physical scan button at the back, or use Logitech G Hub to perform a scan. For normal mechanical switches, the keyboard will automatically recognize the switch and activate it. And there you go, you've successfully hot swapped the switches on your Logitech G512X. For more information, visit our support site linked in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.